Yeah, where's your cover at? Might as well put that back on now. It's marked, isn't it? Yep, she's marked. We got our cheat line in here, so we know where it is if we have to get lost. Typical FXR, you gotta put the brake on to get anything on there. Junk. What's junk?
It's FXR stuff, huh? Late model crap.
Oh, you still run the double plate on it?
Yeah. Should I get rid of that? I just thought that belonged there, so I run it.
Well, use your cover, you have to do it that way, unless you want the cover turned a different direction. No, I don't use that stupid plate, I hate them.
What am I doing? You gonna let me do that?
I don't know what you're
You gonna
tightening.
let me do that?
Are you tightening the gasket up?
You
or
were gonna
what?
let me do that.
I was trying to figure out what you're doing. Why don't you just put your cover on there? Screw that damn plate. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? See, you want your cap to be up and down now, see? I can tell what you're doing. What are you doing? The holes aren't over there, are they? What are you doing?
You were gonna let me do that. You were gonna sit there and watch me.
Well, I thought you put a hole in the top, now it's over the side, so at some point it moved. Why are you doing it that way?
Why am I doing it that way?
The screw is cut out the countersink for a reason.
Oh.
Dumbass.
Oh.
And you're on the wrong end. You put the screw on the top, but there's no screw hole.
Oh. I got you.
I don't know what you're doing. It's goofy.
We're cutting this out.
We're cutting what out?
Yeah, cutting this out of the
Oh,
show.
the video part again?
Party. It's party.
Okay, this looks better this time.
It's part of the show.
Now, if you put it upside down, it doesn't work either. So, just in case you didn't know that. See, if you eliminate that part, you wouldn't have this problem. But then your bottle cap wouldn't work correctly. Or can top, whatever that thing is down there.
Yeah.
You probably paid like $500 for that stupid
Oh, it
thing.
wasn't that bad. Martian Machine.
$400.
They do some cool stuff. I dig it.
You would. You're weird. You want it up or down? That's where you want it.
I think I like it like this.
I think it should have been sideways where it works better. Then it would fit inside the cover
So
like
I
it's
can pop the
supposed
top
to.
easier?
Then it would fit inside the camo cover correctly instead of being hanging out in the air like it is. See how far that sticks out now? Now the lever's in the way because I'm holding it down?
Yep.
What a dumbass. Who's doing that?
Think this should get a little blue Loctite?
Nope. Never.
Never, ever?
Not unless you really, really have a big problem. Because you know what happens?
What happens?
The Loctite sticks in the nut, which is the bolt, and it just pulls the bolt out and you can't get the cover off. Because the bolt inside starts unscrewing and you can't get it off. Actually, this one's on the top. You could put Loctite on this one because it wouldn't matter. Yeah, this one's on a solid plate, so you wouldn't have that problem. But these screws here on the side, the tower screw, they would unscrew on you. But this one, yeah, you could do it if you wanted to.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. On the tower screw, yeah.
Yeah, they stick and the screw
That'd be
just
a
turns
problem.
and then you can't do anything. You're stuck. Pain in the ass.
Don't get too crazy here. Like that.
Maybe.
I like that.
Factory torque.
Yep.
See how far that sticks out? It's because it's got that plate behind it. See, if you take the plate off, it would sit in more flush.
It's okay. I like it just
It's
like
okay.
that.
You like it that way? Okay.
It's okay. Nobody notices this wrong except for you.
Except for me and every viewer now. Leave a comment if that's wrong. Just let me know. We're going to find out.
How do you
more.
feel about this? You want this inside or does this bother you?
I don't like
All right,
it
let's
at all.
hear about it in the comments.
I would put
All
this.
right.
I like the chrome smooth one
Let
on
the
there.
flaming begin.
You know what you should do? You take this piece of crap off. You go right over here to the toolbox where I just found that thing on the floor behind the press. Right here. And that goes right there, because that's what those are made for.
Is that what you made that for?
That's what I made that for. It goes on top of that plate that's underneath this plate. See, that's how that works. And you notice how I got
Big,
provision?
isn't it?
You notice how I got provision for screw holes top and bottom and side to side. Fits all applications. Pretty slick, huh? They made this in a 1/16 of an inch too big in diameter. I purposely told them to make an 1/8 inch smaller than what I needed, and it still made it an 1/16 too big. So you have to lightly trim it. But yeah, that's what that's for.
So it's 3/16 bigger than what you wanted.
Well, actually, I wanted a 16 smaller. It was right on the money, but they said they couldn't do that, so I purposely made it the other way to contradict what they were going to do. But they fooled me.
They got you, did they?
They couldn't hold a 3/16 tolerance. You know, you give them a position to do something, they do it. How come this peg moves? I shouldn't be able to move this thing if it's tight.
You shouldn't. You're right.
You got a 1/2 inch? Or 9/16? 9/16? Do you want that up and down? Or you want it angled so it, like the boys do it down there in Hillcrest?
Let's see how
I put them up.
up and down.
It's supposed to be like that.
Up and down over here.
It's supposed to be up there, that way you can put it down and put your foot on it when you want to. Move your feet from there to there.
When I'm cold, I put my feet back here because I take the
Get the heat?
heat off the motor.
Yeah,
That's what happens.
you bent it. You didn't do it right. It's loose. Loosey-goosey. You know, trying to do a ratchet on that?
Okay.
Short ones you can. I'll
It's
just
not
use,
1/2 inch.
I told you 9/16. It's a 3/8 bolt going through that thing. Which means it has a 9/16 locking nut on it. I would have put a real wrench on it, but I'm using a 12.2 instead of a 6. Oh, at least you got a 6 point, that's close. Are you gonna loosen it for some reason?
Yeah, because it spun down on me.
Yeah. Trying to figure out what you're doing here. We're not gonna comment on what he's doing, he's just gonna keep doing it till it's tight.
Until it's done.
But feel free to leave your comments on these
That's tight.
videos. Because we like to respond to our dumbass comments. We do enough for our dumbass comments to our dumbass videos already, but
What did the guy say?
sometimes we need.
He's like, this guy is clueless.
I didn't
Thanks
see
for
that.
noticing, buddy.
I
Keep
didn't,
watching.
I didn't see that one. I missed that one. No,
This guy is clueless.
this one's angled forward. You didn't angle that one forward. So you got a 15-degree angle.
There you go.
How come you didn't put the other one 15-degree angle?
That's tight. That's beautiful.
Yeah, but you got different angles on them. What's up with that? You gonna angle this one forward?
It's gonna be okay.
No, it's not. It's angled wrong. It's actually angled backwards a little bit. You are way, way wrong on doing that.
You can't see both sides of the back at the same time.
Yes, you can.
This one doesn't have a down either. Then at some point in its life a little bit.
I can't get tight.
Oh, you broke it.
I rounded it. I only have a 12 point, so. Yeah, round it some more, but I got a little tight.
Or at least use a 6 point.
Now we're angled forward, but you're probably moving your side, right?
Beautiful.
Mine's angled forward.
It's beautiful.
Yours angled forward?
Slightly.
Slightly forward, good. Guess what? This
All
one's
you
angled
people at
forward.
home now,
This one's both angled forward
You
just a little
know.
bit.
now you know.
Yeah, 12 points rounded off. Yeah, nuts. Hey, I got a socket missing.
I'm missing a 1/2 inch socket. I cannot find it.
Where's mine?
1/4 inch. No, yeah.
I'm missing mine too. Where's my socket?
I'm missing a 1/4 inch somewhere. I mean, a 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch 3/8. She has disappeared somewhere into the abyss.
Mine is the one you used on the clamps. Where's the clamp socket? Right over here on the wrench. I found mine missing one. Mine is full.
Been driving me nuts for 3 minutes.
Nuts are nutsy, loosey, nutsy, nutsies. Okay, I'll just seat go down. Is there any oil in this bike? You want to check it? Before you light this thing up for real? Is there any oil in this motor? Or are you running out of oil again? Ooh, look at that nasty ass oil. There's oil in it. Coagulated a bit. What thick is that oil? That's some thick oil.
It's honey.
That's got some serious amount of honey action going there.
It's 7-weight Trabadyne.
Is that even hooked in the front?
No, couldn't have.
You don't hook it in front?
No, because it's got hooks. This is supposed to go on like a hinge system. See, it's got
Oh, that's right. This stupid
hinges.
hinge.
And these don't line up exactly perfect. They come on and off all the time. I take this on and off all the time.
So you took the hinge off? Okay.
I don't have a hinge on it. It's just fine. It caused me a problem. I got a hinge on the original seat. The original seat, you know, it looks cool to have original seat on it, but it looks like crap, and it rides even worse. It's like
There you go.
the shape is like.
Yeah, I know they're garbage.
It's like you can't
It's a
find
Harley.
a spot. It's just like weird on your tailbone.
Harley seats suck. We already knew that.
Junk. I mean, I keep it, and I keep it because it's original.
Yeah.
But it's not something you want to put in
It
your
is what it
house.
is. Okay, so we are ready to light this thing off and pollute the atmosphere a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I don't think we're gonna light it off tonight, anyways.
no, we're not. We do that tomorrow.
We have.
We need to find out.
issues
We
gotta
need
deal with
we need to
now, too.
track down the ignition on switch. See if we can
FXR
find it.
Division. I'll hop on that and see if he still has any left.
And looks like the videos got uploaded maybe finally from yesterday. Nobody appreciates how many hours and hours it takes to do this stuff, but upload is complete. We get all the videos up. All right, there we go. See, these are what we look at when I look at videos. Look at all those unlisted videos there. Boom, let's update that. How many more are there? 59, we added some more. There's 2 more got listed. Oh, they got this dorky guy in the front of the video again. Look at that. Look at that guy. One thing about it, you should have the light off when you're on the camera. It works better. Okay, those are the videos. Those are the pictures they want me to use. Those are not the pictures I actually use when I post my videos. Look at all those unlisted videos. So these are the ones we just put up. So, all right. So we'll put some more of them up tonight. That's 3 of the pro. It takes 3 attempts to get stuff done.
Yeah, still gotta hook this dash stuff back up.
Dash stuff? What dash stuff?
We've got both these gauges do not work. We have NOS replacement for this. Tatro's not interested in that.
Yeah, but we're not putting them on right now. We don't need them.
We don't really need them.
Just like we're not doing the
gas gauge.
we're
Believe it or not.
We're not doing the carb either until we got more time.
I've got NOS gauges for all these to be replaced. This is a replacement, the digital.
Piece of crap, doesn't work.
Yeah. No, it does work.
Oh.
I smoked the first ones.
Oh, I thought that was the one you
Learning
smoked.
curve.
A learning curve? Yeah, it's only $300.
No, it was at like $80.
Oh, okay, that's better. All right, we'll deal with this at another time. So if we got time later in the week, we'll do it. But we got everybody wants us to work on that road turret over there, and it needs to be worked on because it handles like shit, especially with all the power it's got now. So we'll be doing on that next. All right, that's it for this for now. Maybe next year we'll finish it.